So we are going to visit the marketing task. Now, the marketing task, you want to add your relevant inputs, you want to add your tone, and here is an example, which is act as a marketer, write a compelling AIDA, which is attention, interest, desire, action, marketing, social media post that convincingly explains how our product and service can help grow your business brand and generate leads. All right, so I'm going to go over here and copy this right here and go into Jasper. And this is just Jasper Chat and paste it. And so act as a marketer, write a compelling AID, attention, interest, desire, action, marketing, social media post. Again, this is exactly how you'd want it because we've added the tone and the relevant inputs that we want in there. So if we click send here, we're going to see how it creates the post. Attention, skyrocket your business with our game-changing solutions. So it shows the interest, the desire, imagine your brand becoming the talk of the town with the steady influx, and then the action. And there you go. And then don't wait. So here, what we would then do is then copy this post, and then when we do paste it, we would remove interest because of course you don't want interest to be there. You'd remove desire because you don't want desire to be there, and you'd remove action. And then you have your post, right? Because then it just says, are you tired? It lists the interest, then the desire and the action. So this is all for you. You do not need to copy and paste that. So it's very important because I've seen many times, and that's easily how people can know you're using artificial intelligence because you are not factoring in all these little things that people see and go, oh, that's AI. So that's one thing to note about. Now, I could also come in here now and then do the same. Act as a marketer. Let's say write PAS, which is problem, agitate, and then solution. Write a compelling PAS, problem, agitate, solution about a marketing social media post that convincingly explains how a product service can help grow your business brand and generate leads. And so let's see what happens here. Now, in many instances, I would still have to go down here and change it to match the problem, agitate, solution one, but the interest of time, we're just going to run it and see what it does. So there you go again. Problem is your business struggling to capture leads and build brand presence, agitate in the digital age, and then the solution. That's where our game-changing, oh, it's still listing the desire and action. So you can see here, because I did not edit my prompt, I probably left in here something about interest. You see that over here, and something about desire. So it goes back to the fact that if I'm creating another post, I want to make sure that the problem, the agitate, and the solution, I'm probably listing it, but see, it still gave you, it's what you tell the AI tool to do that it's going to do. So in this instance, I could just copy the first three parts. Is your business struggling to capture leads? Copy the agitate part and the solution part, and I'm all good. Again, I will not be pasting or, using agitate there, or I will not be using solution. You are just going to copy the paragraph, put them together, and then paste. Now, the same goes for, let's do BAB. That's another marketing framework here. And we know that BAB is before, after, and then bridge. Okay, all right, I don't see there, but you know what? Let's just run it now in the interest of time again. Act as a marketer, write a compelling BAB before, after, bridge, marketing, social media post. And let's see if the AI tool picks it up. See this? Again, it's giving it to us the way that we can simply go in, copy, and paste. I just missed it. Somewhere here we still have desire and action. But again, very simple. In this instance, I just have to go to the before part. Are you stuck in the shadow of your competitors? Go to the after part. Imagine dominating the market and attracting leads like a magnet. And then the bridge part, that's where our groundbreaking service steps in. We offer a comprehensive suite of digital marketing solutions designed to boost your online visibility, generate high quality leads, propel your business growth. So, I would keep the emojis, but I would take away the titles, the before, the afters, and the bridges. So that's how you could use marketing frameworks. And you see that you don't have to do a lot of thinking there in creating that prompt, because that's a framework that works already, and the AI tools totally understand that. But that's how you could use marketing frameworks.